Now that we're happy with the content on the artboard and the way the artboard is situated, we need to duplicate the artboard. It makes no sense for us to have to do all that work again. All we need to do is replace the images on the artboard or the text. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the toolbar and you'll see the arrow. If you hold on the Alt key and click once, you notice now that you have these plus signs. So what I'm going to do is on the plus sign, I'm going to hold on the Alt key again and click once, and it will duplicate the artboard. Now, with the artboard over here, we need to give the artboard a different name. I'm going to rearrange mine by dragging this one down to the bottom, selecting the first one now, and here I can say this is the main artboard. So you can give it a name and we can discuss the names in class. So now all you need to do, once you've done that, you have all your content in there, and in order to replace an image, we just need to replace the image, which we will do in the next video.